Welcome Escambia County Public Schools to our weekly Tech Tips in a Flash, unlocking AI's potential, asking the right questions. Are you frustrated with AI's responses? If so, join us as we explore how to pose effective questions to get great results. So why is asking the right questions so important in AI? AI is a great tool, but it needs to know what to do. Questions tell AI what to do and how to do it. Good questions lead to better answers and ideas and help people solve problems. Ask questions that will help you reach your goal. Clarify questions by rephrasing in simpler terms. Pose open-ended questions like how can we solve climate change? Ask probing questions by asking for more details about something. And use hypothetical questions like what if? Several methods for asking effective questions include being specific by avoiding broad or vague questions. Provide clear and concise context. Be clear and concise and ask one question at a time. Keep it simple, don't use fancy words or confusing sentences. So how can we take AI interactions to the next level? Refine your questions based on previous responses. Ask AI-related questions to guide its reasoning. Instruct the AI to take on a particular persona or a point of view. So what are some common pitfalls and things to avoid when using AI? Avoid asking leading questions that can lead to a biased response. Don't assume the AI has the same background knowledge as you. AI models have limitations, and it's important to maintain realistic expectations. AI is always changing, so we need to keep up and adjust how we ask questions as AI models get better. Knowing how to ask the right questions will allow you to utilize AI, a valuable tool, effectively. The best way to improve your AI prompting skills is through practice and experimentation. Keep interacting with AI models and experiment with various prompts, and provide clear instructions specifying the desired format, asking open-ended questions, and refine your prompts based on the AI's responses. Avoid including personally identifiable information known as PII within prompts. PII is any information that can be used to identify an individual alone or in combination with other data. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new content, and fill out our content request form so we can make videos that are of interest to you.